For the latest developments on the investigation into George Floyd's death, one day after former officer Tou Thao's body camera video was released, his attorneys released his interview with investigators. ABC's Alex Perche is in Washington with the latest. Alex, good morning to you.
Ava, good morning. This video coming out, as you said, in court filings. Former Minneapolis police officer Tou Thao's lawyers hoping that it and body camera footage proves that he shouldn't face criminal charges.
It was kind of a somber moment, especially for me. My heart kind of sank.
This morning, newly released video shows what former Minneapolis police officer Tou Thao thought when he learned George Floyd died, and what Thao says he could have done differently.
I guess it would be, more observant towards Floyd.
This footage, part of Thao's 1 hour and 40-minute interview with investigators. Thao explains how Officer Derek Chauvin got control over George Floyd.
I believe it's a lefty.
Have you seen that or used a maneuver similar to that?
No.
The interview's release comes a day after Thao's body camera was filed in court. Video his lawyers believe helps prove he shouldn't face criminal charges, including aiding and abetting second-degree murder in the killing of George Floyd. Thao trying to control the growing crowd as other officers restrained Floyd until he lost consciousness and later died. At one point, Thao confronts this woman in the black sweatshirt. She identified herself as an off-duty firefighter.
The fact that you guys are checking his pulse and doing compressions if he needs that, you guys are honoring him.
They're killing him, but yet he tries to prevent her from giving any kind of aid to George Floyd.
Yeah, they're saying, get off him, get off his neck, look at him.
Suggesting what?
Check
to
on
you?
him. Yeah.
Check on him? Did you do that?
That was not my job.
In court documents obtained by the Star Tribune, Tao's lawyer says he never touched Floyd, tried to increase the urgency of the emergency response, and that the last time Tao turned around to see what was happening, Mr. Floyd was alive and breathing. Now, prosecutors have confirmed that woman that you saw there in the black sweatshirt was a Minneapolis firefighter. Now, lawyers will be back in court next month over a motion to try all 4 former officers at once, and a tentative trial date is set for March of next year. Dan?
This case and the video associated with it continues to horrify. Alex, thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.